Hi, welcome to Mrs. Chapman Studio. Today we are going to talk about 2023 Grade 5 5B paper, Section 1, Rhythm. Let's look at 1.1. We are going to find out the correct time signature for each bar. So let's look at A, and we have 3 time signatures here. Now let's revise time signature. The top note, the top number is number of beats, and bottom number is what kind of beats. So we have 3 beats, 6 beats, and 4 beats, and the bottom will be quarter note, and we have here is semi-quaver, 16th note, and quaver note, which is 8th note. So 3 quarter, 6 semi-quaver, and 4 quaver. Now over here, I'm going to group them into quarters. So this is 1 quarter, 4 semi-quaver, this is 1 quarter, and let's look at this one. This is a double daughter rhythm, and so we have a quaver over here, and the first dot is half of a quaver, so it's semi-quaver, and second dot is demi-semi-quaver. So this is a demi-semi-quaver rest plus this one, these 2 will become 1 semi-quaver. So 2 semi-quaver will become 1 quaver. So plus this 1 quaver. So I have 2 quavers here, and it will become 1 quarter. So we have 3 quarters here, and there is no crossing. So there is 3 quarters. Second one, B. Now B, we are going to group them into quavers first. So let's look at here. What are the time signature we have here? So top number is number of beats, and the bottom number is what kind of beats. So we have 973 beats, and kind is quaver, quarter, and half note, medium. Alright, so let's come over here. Let's group them into quarter first. So this is 1 quarter, second quarter, which I bring over here, second quarter. Now this is 1 quarter, and this is 3 triplets of 3 quavers. So value of 2 quavers is 1 quarter, and this is 1 quarter, and this is 1 quarter. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but we do not have 6 4. So let's continue to group them into medium. So we can have 1 medium, 2 medium, and the third medium. So I have 3 mediums. So 3 2. C, let's look at what are the time signatures we can have. So we have a time signature here. 4 2, 4 is number of beats, 12 9 number of beats. So bottom will be 2 8 16. What kind of beats? So we have medium, quaver, and semi-quaver. So let's look at this one. Now let's group them into quaver. So this is 1 quaver, this is another quaver, and this is another quaver. Now this is 1 quaver, 2 quaver, and this is the third quaver. 1 quaver, this one will become semi-quaver plus this semi-quaver. This is 1 quaver and 1 quaver, 1 quaver, 1 quaver, 1 quaver. Realize this is in a group of 3, so we can start to think this is a compound time. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So the answer will be 12 8, 12 quavers. 1.2, we are going to convert the simple time to compound time. So right here in front of you, I have a diagram here, simple to compound. The top number we need to times 3. So that is 2 times 3. And bottom number times 2 becomes 6, 8. Okay, so over here 6, 8, these are the 2 correct ones. Now next one, no dot become dot. Okay, so we have over here no necessary one. Next one we have remove 3, so this one is going to remove. Okay, so this one cross out and add 2 to duplex. So we have a duplex 2 equals, yes, and then we are going to add them together, put them into duplex. So let's look at this one. We have duplex here, and by here there's no duplex. So the answer will be the first one. 1.3, complete the 2 sentences. So we are going to add in the number. First one, in 12/16, how many daughter quaver beats? So daughter quaver beats in the 12/16. 12/16 will be 12 of how many beats? The semiquavers. So in semiquaver, so I have 3 in a group, and when I 3 in a group become a daughter quaver. So 12 divided by 3, 4. So the answer will be 4 daughter quaver. Next one, 4/8. In this triplet of semiquavers is equals to how many quaver beats? So this is the value. Triplet will be the value of 2 notes in a triplet. So that will be 1 quaver. 1.4, we are going to find out which bar is grouped correctly. So let's look at the time signature. This is common time, 4/4. So in 4/4, we are going to group all our notes into a quarter beat. Now if a bigger group, we can group them into minim beat. And in between the minim and the minim, this one cannot group together, cannot beam together. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Let's look at the first one. So first one we have, this is 1/4, and they are supposed to beam together. So this is incorrect. Second one, we have here, this is 1/4. They're supposed to beam together, so this is incorrect. Now this is 1/4, yes, they beam together, so that is accurate. Second one, 1/4, yes, they beam together. This is 1/4, yes, they beam together, and this is 1/4, so this is accurate. 1.5, we are going to find out which rest are accurate. So 6/16, let's look at the time signature. 6/16 will be 3 semiquavers in a group and 3 in a group. So in other words, it's a daughter quaver in a group. Okay, so we are going to group them in this way. So now you will see this 1 and 1 quaver here. Right, and then we have, this is a semiquaver. So this is grouped accurately. And this one, this rest belongs to here. So I have 1 semiquaver and then 1 semiquaver, or you can do like this: 1 semiquaver, 2 semiquaver, 3 semiquaver in this group. They do not join, so this is accurate. Next one, I have over here is 1 daughter quaver, which is accurate. And next one, I have a semiquaver and semi-quiver, and then a semi-quiver. So this rest is accurate. They are grouped accurately. Next one, I have a demi-semi-quiver here, and this demi-semi-quiver and this demi-semi-quiver supposed to bring over here, and then I have a semi-quiver and semi-quiver. Okay, so this rest is incorrect. So if you want to do, it will be this way. Yeah, this belongs to 1, and then the rest will be like that.